Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already know the basics. Now begin. Confirm one target persona and the core problem they want solved because relevance drives attention. Once done, set technical specs, 16:9 codec platform, and pick your primary channel so work is focused. Then draft a half to one-page outline with 3 main points and a clear call to action. This prevents wandering. Start recording a short test clip now to validate tone, timing, and energy before you invest more time. You move from planning into building. Batch record discrete segments, intro, 2-4 value blocks, CTA, and transitions, so editing stays modular and fast. As you edit, work in passes. First trim for clarity, then tighten pacing, finally layer B-roll, captions, and audio polish. This order saves time. Make sure to apply templates and your brand kit for consistency, and schedule 2 review rounds with checklist items for accuracy and engagement metrics, so you catch issues before publishing. You're at the finish line. Optimize the title, thumbnail, and the first 10 seconds to boost retention. These elements determine click and watch behavior. Once live, schedule crossposts and a 24-48-hour promotion plan so momentum builds. Monitor core metrics for 72 hours and be ready to iterate. If engagement is low, focus on one troubleshooting test. Change the thumbnail or headline and run an A/B comparison. This isolates impact faster than redesigning everything and saves effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.